Today, I'm going to show you how to create an awesome dispersion effect in Photoshop. This is a step-by-step Photoshop tutorial, so let's jump right in and get started. First, duplicate the background layer using Ctrl+J. Now hide the top layer. Make sure the background layer is selected. Grab the lasso tool, select around the model like this. Once you're done, right-click and choose Fill. Set the contents to Content Aware, then click OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now make the top layer visible again. Also make sure the top layer is selected. Choose the Quick Selection tool, W. Select the entire model like this. Go up and click on Select and Mask. If you're on a different Photoshop version, choose Refine Edge instead. Select the Refine Edge brush tool. Start by refining only the model's hair. Set the output to Layer Mask. Then click OK. Now the model is separated from the background. Duplicate the top layer again using Ctrl+J. Right-click on the mask and choose Apply Layer Mask. Hide the middle layer, Layer 1. I'm going to rename this layer to Dispersion Effect. Duplicate it one more time with Ctrl+J. I'll rename this new layer to Man. Select the Dispersion Effect layer. Go to Filter, then Liquify. Make sure the Forward Warp tool is selected. Now start warping the model like this. This step will control how big the dispersion effect will be. Take your time here, I'll speed this part up for you. Once you're done, click OK. Hold Alt and click on the mask to fill it with black. Now select the Man layer. Then click on the mask at the bottom. Make sure your foreground color is set to black. Select the Brush tool, B. Choose a dispersion brush. I'll use this one for now, but feel free to pick any brush you like. Open the brush panel. Start painting the effect like this. Rotate your brush often. Use brackets to increase and decrease brush size. I'm going to switch to another brush so it doesn't look repetitive. Start adding the effect again. This part takes some time, so I'll speed it up. Once you're happy with the result, select the dispersion mask. Set your foreground color to white. Now let's add the second stage of the dispersion effect. Again, take your time with this step. Keep rotating your brush. Use bracket shortcuts to increase brush size or decrease it. Use Ctrl+Z if you need to undo. Now I'm going to clean things up a bit. Make sure your foreground color is set to white. Choose a small, soft edge brush. Zoom in using the Zoom tool. Carefully mask out any unwanted areas. Once again, take your time here. Press Ctrl+0 to zoom back out. That's looking much better now. Next, I'm going to add a broken glass texture. Select the Move tool, V, and drag the texture into your project. Change the blending mode to Screen. I'll rename this layer to Cracks. Press Ctrl+T to transform the cracked texture. Hold Alt, Shift and drag a corner inward to scale it. Scroll down and add a mask. Use a small brush for this part. Make sure your foreground color is set to black. Start masking out the unnecessary parts. Press Ctrl+0 to zoom back out. Now create a new adjustment layer and choose Gradient Map. Open the gradient presets. Pick a gradient you like for this effect. Click OK when you're done. Then close the panel. Lower the opacity to around 20%. As you can see, gradients work really well here. Some parts of the dispersion effect look a bit soft, so let's sharpen them. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, E to merge all visible layers. Rename this layer to Sharpen. Right-click and convert it to a smart object. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, and choose Unsharp Mask. I'll set the amount to 60%. Then click OK. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, and feel free to leave a comment below.